So what's good with the J Ham fans? It's your boy John. Let me tell y'all what just happened. So I just sat here and made a video. I'm talking about, I know it was at least 10 minutes. And I'm going through deleting old stuff and deleted the video I just did, moving too fast. And plus, my dog was barking or crying and whining, whatever you want to call it. So I'm annoyed right now. But anyways, let's get back to it. Round 2 this time. So what's been going on so far? Before we get started with any of that, let me say this. I hope y'all had a good New Year's. I hope y'all had a good Christmas. I know I'm late on both of those, but it's never too late for nothing. I hope y'all conquer all y'all goals this year. Hope everything come to pass. Next thing I want to say, I don't know if y'all can see, but the camera quality have improved. My girl got me a Canon EOS M50 for Christmas. I'm not on the Canon T2i no more. I'm not on the iPhone no more. It's actually over there charging, so it's a good feeling. This time the camera, it flips, so I can move the. I'm just gonna say I can move it around. The little flip screen, it has a flip screen, so I can move that out, and I'm able to have it to face me, so I can be able to record. I feel like an old person right now. I'm trying to explain that, but I got a new camera. She told me she believed in me. She knows she wanted to move forward. I've been dying for a camera, so she got it for me for Christmas. I still got to get her something. I feel bad, but I get her something. Anyways, and y'all, he in the cage right now, because if I let him out and I'm recording, he'd be trying to jump all up over me. I don't feel like dealing with that right now. Can't let him on the patio. I live in an apartment. It's not a backyard. Kids at the playground. We so happen to live right next door to a playground. So he see the kids. He love kids. He want to bark, cry, try to hop over there. So he's in a cage. Gave him peanut butter. He want to lick it up like crazy. That's on him. He'll get over it. But anyways, man, y'all ain't gonna believe it. I got a kid on the way. I got a baby on the way, y'all, and it's the craziest feeling ever. It's like I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. Can you please be quiet while I'm doing my video? Please. Show me some respect like I show you respect. Please. And I bet as soon as I stop looking at you, you're gonna do it again. Anyways, I got a kid on the way, and I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm excited. It's a mixture of both, y'all. But I can't wait until the saying, my bundle of joy is here. It's kind of crazy to say that, but I can't wait. The due date is between August 17th and August 23rd. She was pregnant for a whole month, y'all, before we both found out. She didn't even know she was pregnant. I didn't know she was pregnant. So it was like, it's crazy, but it's a good feeling. Found out a couple days before Christmas, y'all, that I'm about to be a dad. Bittersweet moment. It's time to turn the grind up, y'all, because not only will I be working for myself, but I will be working for a kid now. So it's bigger than me now. So it's like I gotta get to it, y'all. But I'm excited about that. August can't come fast enough. I hope it's a boy, but everybody and their mama think it's a girl, so they're kind of rubbing it off on me now. I think it's a girl too, because my mama, she got 7 kids. 5 of those kids are girls. And she was telling me that if you have a lot of morning sickness and stuff like that, it's a girl. And she don't even have morning sickness. She have all day sickness. Ain't no such thing as morning sickness. Right now, she in a room right now, half dead, can't move, can't eat, losing weight. She getting whooped out right now by that pregnancy, but hey, she wanted a girl, so that's what she get whooped out, because I wanted a boy. But anyways, the next thing I want to tell you guys, the car was supposed to get painted yesterday. Got the body work prepped. I've never seen primer look like a mirror, like it had clear on top of it, but it's just prepping it for paint. I think the whole car is prepped for paint, but it's sitting against the wall, so I really couldn't get over there. But the one side, the driver's side, is actually prepped. But that's prepped, but we run into a bump in the road. The door, he had welded a piece on the door, and somehow it came back apart. So he opened the door and he checked. So the factory welding points and all that stuff is actually splitting. So I was heading over there today to take the door off, but as I was arriving over there, I had walked over there, y'all. So I called one of my homies over, and he was like, "Yeah, I'll pull up and help you." So I told him I was walking, so he was okay. So he actually went up over there and took it off of. Calm down, why are you talking so fast? So he went over there and actually pulled it off for me. So by the time I got there, the only thing I had to do was hold the door up a little bit. We took it off, set it up on the stand. So the guy who's actually going to weld it for me, who's the same guy who's actually going to paint it, he was helping somebody else with their car, so I just ended up leaving. But before I left, I got some footage of the engine bay. The engine bay is pretty much done. I got to touch up a couple more corners on the thing, up on the engine bay. Under the hood is yellow, it's already painted, so you got to see how it's going to look, and how the color of the paint and stuff. You'll see how it's going to look, and where the motor's going to sit. I painted all that stuff black. The fender wells, I painted that black. The actual fender on the inside of the fender is like a hints of yellow. The jugs, I think I want to paint some of those yellow also. Just mismatch it a little bit so I can make it look decent. And so that's pretty much done. A couple more touch-ups and that'll be done. We got the door off the car. It doesn't understand as I said. So that's actually in the video too of what needs to be welded and what needs to be done. My birthday's on the 17th of January, y'all. So hopefully 17th of January. That's basically a week away. Triana, my birthday a week away, huh? Yeah, so that's a week away. So hopefully the car be done. It's supposed to get painted yesterday, as I said, but ran into a bump in the road. I wanted to tell him so bad, like, look, dude, just paint over there. I don't even care. I plan on driving this car. Just paint. It's not gonna be a trailer queen. I just want to drive, y'all. That's all I want to do. So, and it's like now I'm even more. I'm on a budget. Well, budget. No, I'm not. Because the budget that happened, that was out the window a long time ago. I'm on a time frame, y'all. That's what I was looking for. I'm on a time frame because, as I told y'all, I got a kid on the way. And my girl, she's allowing me to do the gender reveal where I'll be able to get in the car and do the burnout and the smoke come out. Hopefully it's blue smoke. I hope, pray, fingers crossed, but it's gonna be pink smoke. It is what it is. Got a girl on the way. My dad had 5 girls, so I know it's probably gonna trickle down to me too. But anyways, a couple guys from the car club is gonna help me with that. And my engine builder, he's gonna be a part of it. So stay tuned for that too, y'all. So hopefully I want to have at least 4 cars. I know that all the things I've seen on YouTube, it was like two cars, usually like Mustangs and stuff like that. I wanted to do at least 4 cars. The more the better for me. My mom was like, I showed her how the video is and how it usually looks. So she's like, you only need about 1 or 2 cars at that. I said, nah, Mom. I'm trying to go big or go home. I ain't never seen at least 4 cars, 3 to 4 cars. That'd be good for me. So hopefully the car, the Catalina is done. The only thing, I ain't talking about like the whole car being complete, at least the motor. So once you leave the paint shop, the same day, the same night, or day, night, whatever it is, whenever we come home, I want to be able to put the motor in the car and bolt it down so I can know exactly what I need. I know I need the wiring harness for sure. I was going to go to PSI to get the wiring harness, but my engine builder, he actually inboxed me on Facebook and told me to just get the wiring harness from Holley. So it's going to be the Holley Terminator X, if I'm not mistaken, but I know it's Holley for sure. It's the EFI. He told me to get their set up. It comes with the computer, aftermarket computer, and the wiring harness. So it's like, I guess it's a simple hookup, and then I'll be able to grow with it in the future. So if I was to go turbo, it wouldn't be so hard to tune. If I was to go basically when I improve bigger motor or either throw a turbo or something at it, it'd be easier. I'd be able to do it right there, boop, 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 and be done with it. So that's about, I think it's $1,000, between $1,000 and $1,200. But the gender reveal is in May, so I got time to do that. And then I also got to get the gears. I got to get the gears again. I had some 373 gears, so this time I'm going with some 410s or 411s. I got to check the messages again, y'all. I think you told me to go 410s. So 410s or 411s, I got to check though. And then get a 3,000 stall, between the 3,000 and the 3,200 stall, and then that'll be done. And then as far as the transmission, I was gonna run the 480, but I was thinking, y'all, he told me to. He's like, just go with the 350 for now, and then just upgrade to the 480 later. I'm like, yeah, I wanted to go with the 480 right now, but I'm actually leaning towards what he was telling me to do, because now I said I wasn't on a budget, but it's back to a budget now because I'm like, I got the time frame, gotta do this, gotta do that, gotta do this. And then on top of that, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm actually at home right now. I'm at the apartment, so our lease is up in March, so it's January, February is right here. So we gotta, get that going. Gotta have a down payment for another apartment because I want to renew this one because, I mean, this was our first apartment, but I don't like it, y'all. It's only 2 windows. You got the back patio window, which is right there. And then you also have the room window, which is in the room. It's only 2 windows. I feel like I'm in prison. Well, we feel like we're in prison. Y'all see how dark it is in here right now. And even when you turn the lights on, it's like yellow lights. But I ain't complaining. I like it. It feels good to be on your own, but improve. And the amount of money that we paying here for this 1 bedroom, we should get something way better at another one. We paying like $10.50 a month for rent here, so might as well just move on. We experienced it, move on to better. Plus we got a kid coming, so we need more space. But other than that, y'all stay tuned. And then I keep saying then but my car club, which is Train to Go, we got a picnic coming up, like a picnic / kickback. It's gonna be on Martin Luther King Day. I dropped the information down in the description below. Come out, bring your kids out, bring your car, come out, chill, have fun. We might have a kickball game going, throwing some food on the grill. Y'all just come out and have fun and celebrate the day with us, y'all. And I wanted to add something else. Las Vegas, we got a lot of cars coming out this year, y'all. We got a lot of cars from what I'm hearing. I know for a fact, my car club, we got some cars dropping this year for sure. Hopefully my car is one of them. But I know besides me and my car club alone, we probably got like, let's say 3 to 4 cars dropping. We gonna tear the streets up. We already be beating the streets up now. We gonna tear the streets up for sure when the rest of the club get done. I know other clubs, they got their stuff going on too. I know Dub Life, they got their stuff going on. They got some heat dropping as well. Everybody, they got heat dropping. Everybody's just been under construction lately. But y'all stay tuned for that. We got some stuff coming out here in Vegas. But other than that, everything been rocking. I got some in my eye. Everything been rocking. Everything is going good. I got I told you I got some footage of what's been going on with the car. So I dropped that in this video. And also, we on the road to 400 subscribers, y'all. I checked earlier today. We had 396. No, it's 397. We had 397. We on the road to 400 subscribers. That mean a lot to me, y'all. Y'all believe in your boy. Y'all rocking with me. And y'all see I got a new camera now, so camera quality has improved. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank y'all. Hope y'all conquer y'all goals this year. Door off. Get all up in here. Then there's back shop too. Where's it? Right here. You ain't get a hold to that right there. That's how the car look. This is the only setback. Engine bay. Reflecting,
Okay, I had it when you first day you came. The black soccer. Don't see it. It might be gone.
That's everything so far. Engine bay looking good. Took this door off. Took all the tint off. And I don't know how I'm gonna do this interior. I'm gonna send that grill off so it can get done. So the interior, should I do gray with that yellow or peanut butter? I'm looking at that gray. Border gonna definitely look good up on here though.